How to connect TikTok Shop to Printify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect TikTok Shop to Printify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Printify and TikTok, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Printify, it is a transparent, print-on-demand, and dropshipping platform that enables anyone to start an online business selling custom products without any upfront investment. With over 350 products to choose from, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and many more. Printify handles the entire production and shipping process directly to customers. And also, Printify seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, allowing users to quickly create an online store and start selling. So from here, to start creating an account on Printify, just click the Start for Free button right here, or you could also sign up by clicking this button. Then you will be able to be directed on this page right here. To sign up, you could also enter here your email address and your password, or you can continue signing in using your Google account. And in those options, I'm going to choose to sign in using my Google account. After signing in, you will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will ask you what brings you to Printify. So all you need to do is to simply select some of your answer below here, then click the next button. And what best describes you? I'm going to choose artist and designer, then click the next button. And what do you have experience with? Then where would you like to sell? From here you can choose different kind of countries, or alternatively you could also select, or I want to sell globally. And now moving on, how did you hear about us? You could also select some of the platform in here, then click complete button to proceed. And now as you can see, we have now successfully created our Printify account. Then we will now be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options. And you could also start creating your product in this platform. Now moving on to our TikTok Shop account right here. After signing in, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. However, to start connecting Printify to this TikTok Shop, there's actually no directly way to do that. However, we could also use some other applications or platforms such as the Shopify.com, in which it is a leading global e-commerce platform that enables businesses of all sizes to create online stores and sell products across multiple channels. So basically, this platform will help us to integrate Printify to our TikTok Shop account. And this platform, Shopify, supports selling a wide variety of products and services including physical goods, digital downloads, subscriptions, services, and many more. And it also offers ease of use, seamless sales, channel integration, and robust feature set. Shopify is popular choice for startups and established businesses looking to build and grow their online presence. And now to start creating our account on Shopify, you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, or the Login button if you already have an account on Shopify. Then you will be directed on this page, in which on the left side panel it will show us a variety of options that we can start navigating, such as home orders, products, customers, content, analytics. However, to proceed installing the application or integrating TikTok to Printify, we can simply go to Add Apps right here, and on this pop-up window, just scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. But you could also see here the Printify application in here, but we could also click this install button right here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page, in which all we need to do is to simply log in our account or Printify account in here. So just click the login button on the top right corner in order to log in our account on Printify and start connecting it to our Shopify in here. Or alternatively, other way to install the application is by going to Shopify App Store right here. Then from here, just search on the search bar Printify, and it will show us in here the result of this application or platform. And upon clicking or enter, from here it will show us the overview of Printify, print on demand. And by clicking this install button below here, we'll now be able to be directed again on this page. And from here, we can start logging in our account on this Printify. So I'm just going to log in using my Google account in here. However, at this point, it is not working since something's wrong, so I need to try again later. And because of that, I'm going to move on to install the other application or platform, which is TikTok Shop. So just go back to our Shopify App Store and kindly search on the search bar TikTok. Upon clicking enter, you will be able to see here all of the results about TikTok, and kindly search or click on this one. And from here, you will be able to see all of the details and overview about TikTok. Then to proceed, just click this install button right here. Then we will be able to be directed on this page, and from here to proceed, kindly click this install button right here. And after that, all we need to do is wait for it to load. Then we will be able to be directed in here. So from here, to connect our TikTok shop on Shopify, all we need to do below here is to simply set up TikTok marketing. By clicking this button, set up now, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see, we can now simply click this connect button to connect our TikTok shop. Then click connect button in here to proceed. And now all we need to do is wait for it to load. Then we'll now be able to see here that we are also required to set up or create our new TikTok Ads Manager. And in this pop-up window, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including your phone number, email address, to choose your industry, and other details in here. Then click sign up and connect button below here to proceed. And after that, we'll now be able to be directed on this data sharing, in which if we scroll down right here, it will show us that you can choose either standard, enhanced, and maximum. And now to proceed, just click this confirm button right here for the confirmation. And after that, we'll now be able to be directed under this company information. And to set this up, just click the setup button right here. Then fill out your business address in here, including your street address, postal code. And after filling out all of the required information, just click this confirm button to proceed. Upon clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this page and click the finish button below to proceed. And if you're now done, we have now see here that we have now successfully created or connect our TikTok shop in our Shopify store. And since we already connect our TikTok shop, the next thing that we need to connect or integrate is the Printify platform. And since it is not currently working to install directly to our Shopify, we can just go to our Printify platform. From here on the left side panel, just proceed by clicking this My New Store and add New Store button to proceed. Then choose the Shopify right here and kindly paste our Shopify account or your Shopify online store. So kindly click this online store right here and just simply copy our link of our online store and paste it directly in here. Then proceed by clicking the connect button right here. Upon clicking on it, we will now be able to be directed on this page, which is in our Shopify. And to start installing this application, kindly click this install button right here. And you also need to remember that this app needs to access to view personal data and view and edit your store data. So basically, once you integrate this Printify to your Shopify account, you could also import the list of the product or trying to sell on your Shopify from Printify platform. And as you can see, currently it is now on load. But after downloading, you could also sign in your account on Printify in here to integrate successfully your Printify account on Shopify, and also connecting your TikTok shop account in here. So basically, we've now successfully installed the Printify and connected to our TikTok shop account using this platform Shopify. So basically, by integrating both TikTok shop and Printify with your Shopify store, you could also create seamless omnichannel experience in which customers can discover and purchase your Printify custom products directly on TikTok with orders and inventory syncing automatically between the platforms. And this allows you to leverage the power of social commerce on TikTok while leveraging Printify prints on demand fulfillment. So that is just basically how you can connect TikTok shop to Printify. Thank you.